Why do birds fly in a perfect V? Birds like geese, pelicans, and cranes don't just fly in a V formation by chance. It's a calculated strategy based on physics and efficiency. When the lead bird flaps its wings, it creates an upwash of air, lifting the birds behind it and reducing wind resistance. This means they expend less energy, allowing them to fly thousands of miles without exhausting themselves. It's the same technique used in cycling races, fighter jet formations, and even race cars drafting behind one another. But here's where it gets even more fascinating. Birds take turns leading. When the front bird starts to tire, it moves back, and another takes its place. This constant rotation ensures that no single bird carries the hardest job for too long. And the science doesn't stop there. Researchers have found that birds perfectly synchronize their wing beats to catch the best lift from the bird in front. It's an instinctive strategy that maximizes efficiency, allowing them to cover long distances with the least effort possible. This natural flight pattern has inspired human innovation, from fighter jet formations to drone swarm technology and even wind turbine placement to maximize efficiency.